Hi, this is Paul from KLM Builders. I just want to let you know that we do all types of remodels, small remodels, big remodels. This particular customer wanted us to help do some of the finer scope things like the basement bathroom. Let me come show you and see what we did. We totally gutted out the shower space. We gutted out all the paneling, the old slop sink that they used for the laundry tub, and their other vanity that they had. And we did the whole shower stall and widened the opening a little bigger, did the nice hexagon tile. We added 2 cabinets, a vanity cabinet and a utility sink cabinet. She chose a countryside with a Tudor door style and a fern painted finish with maple wood, which turns out really beautiful with the Calcutta Valentina quartz countertop and the nice evil chrome faucets. Also, since it was a basement, we added some luxury vinyl tile. It's an MSI product, Andover Whitby White is the color. This customer was so impressed with this flooring in here, she had us do some additional work in her basement. Let me come and show you that project. In the main area they're working on, they had us demo all the old existing laminate flooring, old countertop height bar, and we came in with some new cabinets, a countertop space, shaker door style cabinets. They were 3/4 inch maple wood, painted color was gray. We also added a microwave area space and a mini fridge. We also had a sink installed with a new Moen faucet. And this really adds to the functionality of this house for her. She also had a beautiful granite silver cloud countertop with a 4-inch backsplash. And that flooring that she likes so much, she had us do the whole basement flooring in that same MSI Andover Whitby White LVT. It's 100% waterproof with a built-in padding. She had us take the same flooring and install stair treads to her basement stairs and then paint the risers white. Low maintenance and high durability, and it makes a great accent to these stairs in this basement.